Today on Seasons Cleanings, we wanted to bring you in to the season of spring. So we will be doing some spring decorating and also we'll be doing Easter decorations. We're gonna show you an inexpensive way to use fresh flowers to make spring decorations throughout your house. Out with winter and in with spring. We'll go through your closet and give it a much needed facelift so it's ready for the next 2 seasons. We got some tips, tricks, and ways to store your clothes to help you stay organized. I'm gonna show you a fun way to clean your home. I call it commercial cleaning. Now let's hop into it. Hello, welcome back. It is day 8 of our mini binge cleaning series, whatever way it's on the screen, which has been a blast, and it is our final day, but it is not the end at all. It's actually the very beginning of our YouTube cleaning channel. Warning, this part is for extreme seasonal decorators. So before I even start pulling up my decorations for whatever season it is, I do like to start with a blank canvas. A cleaning tip, before I pull out any bins of decorations, I always take the time to do a deep clean on the top part of my house. I will save the floors for last because I'm about to make a mess. I pull out all of my decorations, usually on 1 or 2 tables, so I can get familiar with what all I have. It's been a while since I've seen you. I have spring decorations and I have my Easter decorations. Easter is one of my holidays that I celebrate, so of course I have quite a bit of those. They're only going to be up for a couple of days and then they will go away. And usually I put my Easter decorations up about 4 weeks before Easter, but Easter was early this year. My decorations all tell a story. They come from my mom, hand-me-downs, gifts from my grandma, my husband's grandma. I also have a lot that I get from a few of my houses I clean. One in particular, you know who you are. And the rest are fillers that I get from Goodwill, garage sales, and the Dollar Tree. I do have a cleaning tip though. I keep a tiny little caddy with a couple dusting towels, so as I'm putting decorations up, I can dust underneath them beforehand. Putting the decorations throughout the house is never the same and you just eyeball it. I basically start putting things up, seeing how it looks, moving it around. All the stuff you see me placing on the shelf and the table didn't end up even staying there. I think outside the box, I try new things, and if I'm not sure about something, I'll put it up, and if it drives me nuts, I will move it around until I like where it lands. Flowers! Now bear with me, these flowers are from Valentine's, and these are pictures that I took for my Instagram. After a couple of days in the vase, I pull them apart and I grab whatever I can find throughout my house between cups, glasses, vases, candle holders. It's like a fun scavenger hunt. And I make them into little mini vases, and then you separate out the flowers by the type of flower or the color, and you play with them until they all look so pretty in the vases, and then you go find homes for them. This was winter season, so that's why you see winter decorations. I will hopefully get some flowers for spring, but with everything going on, I ain't spending that much money right now. I got this from one of my houses I clean, Marine, and it is one of my favorite decorations to do throughout the year, but especially during spring and summer. I sure do love spring decorations. It is nice to have so many colors after winter, and in a couple days I'll take my Easter decorations down unless I get busy. However, with the coronavirus going on, I am being very careful not to spend money on things I don't need. So maybe just 1 bouquet of flowers this year, $5 or less. I actually still have some flowers on my nightstand that are dried out that they still look really pretty, so I'm leaving them. We have to take a quick break, but don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
Legacy Film Studio. We can help everybody who has to hustle to make a living. People don't spend money on radio, TV, or newspaper advertising anymore. The internet is where it's at. Producing a video for online advertising is easy. People who watch your video online retain 90% of what they saw, while those who read your ad online only retain 10% of what they read. When you're ready to share your story online, give us a call, Legacy Film Studio.
Into the coat closet we go, because I eliminate my winter by taking a lot of the bulky coats and big boots and scarves and gloves, and I actually remove them and take them down to my basement, and a few of the gloves and scarves go in the boxes above. The reason that I do that is because I have a very tiny closet. I don't have a lot of space, and there's no door on this closet, so it's kind of an eyesore if I don't keep it cleaned. I take all of my winter stuff out, but I take this time to really clean out my closet anyway, because I really like simplifying and getting rid of stuff that I am no longer using and putting it to a garage sale. So you empty everything out of the closet, then you go through sorting what you're keeping, what you're not keeping, what you're storing, what you're going to sell, and put back everything that has to do with the next 2 seasons. Cleaning tip: I love to deep clean my closet when it's empty. So I actually pull everything out and wipe down the shelves, get the cobwebs up in the top corner all the way down, and give the floor a nice vacuum or mop. It's a great time to get into the cleaning, and it is so satisfying at the end. Then I'll move over to my closet. When you customize your closet, customize it to what you're wearing, and I always put the things I use the most up in the front. So I pull everything out of my closet and I start putting things in piles by categories. Then under my bed, where I keep a lot of storage because I'm in a tiny space, there I go, all the way in the back, because you only need to go down there twice a year to get your summer and then again to get your winter. I take my bins and I put them into the living room so that I can do them while I'm doing my commercial cleaning, which I'll explain more as we get a little closer. My winter clothes back under the bed. I keep the sweaters that I might use towards the front of my bed, and anything I know I won't touch for a couple of months towards the back of there. Then I have a nice clean closet, and I just love to see all the colors. I switch the heels around. I don't wear heels a lot, but they're so pretty, so I like to put them there. And I actually put all my comfy clothes up front since I'm not going anywhere. And more of my cute summer and spring outfits are toward the back, and I might flip them when this quarantine lifts. And then all my dressy clothes go kind of hidden in the back, so that what I wear every day is right there in front of me. And I use those shelves to put clothes that I rewear over and over, for instance my pajamas, because I wear them for a few days in a row before I wash them. And if that's gross, sue me. I have a bin that goes under my bed, and I keep a lot of bags in there that are easy to pack up and run out the house if I am going to need extra stuff with me. If you're a girl, you know what I'm talking about. It's time to take a quick break, a commercial cleaning break. Okay, this is probably one of my favorite ways to get stuff done around my house. And I just decided to call it commercial cleaning because the concept is getting stuff done while I'm watching one of my shows, and commercials is what I do to get the rest of my house clean. What do I mean by that? I will pick a project like folding your laundry or sorting papers or cleaning out a drawer, and I do it in front of the TV so I can watch one of my favorite shows. But what I do is during the show, I will work on the project and enjoy that show, and when a commercial comes on, you got about 2 to 3 minutes. I will get up and I will go switch the laundry, I will go clean or tidy rooms, maybe one commercial I am picking up the bathroom real quick, the next commercial I'm in my bedroom. Anything that needs to go into another room, I'll start taking that on commercials and putting stuff away. And by the time I'm finished with my show, I've got a project done and my house is clean. That's how I enjoy commercial cleaning. And lastly, I wanted to leave you with some positivity during this time. I want to shine a light on opportunity. Okay? But stick with me because it is a twist to what I'm about to say. So I took this as an opportunity as a cleaner and as starting and launching a new business, which happened right at the same time the coronavirus hit. So I turned it into an opportunity to launch a mini binge series where I could help everybody by teaching you, cleaning and disinfecting, but it's also an opportunity for me to really focus on making videos, learning quickly, trying new things, and getting my channel a nice big poof launch. But this got me thinking, how can I help everybody else see it as an opportunity? So when I say this is an opportunity, for me, I took it on my point, but I really want to nail this home to you that this is the opportunity to do those things you've always wanted to do and you haven't had the time. For instance, if you ever wanted to learn a language, you now have the time and the opportunity to go ahead and go onto YouTube and take a course or watch some videos. If you've wanted to spend more time with your family, like good quality time, now's the opportunity. If you have wanted to clean your house and organize and declutter and simplify, now is the opportunity. If you have wanted to, say for instance, you wanted to learn how to meal prep. You're really healthy, but the hardest part is getting all your food and trying to prep it every week, and you've just never been able to take the time to kind of figure that out. Now is the opportunity. If you have wanted to learn how to make bread from scratch, I have no idea why I want to do that, but now is the opportunity. You have the time. If you have wanted to give back to your community and help and volunteer, now is the perfect opportunity for that. If you know how to sew, you can sew masks. If you have always wanted to write a book, now is the time. You have the opportunity. If you all wanted to learn gardening, but you never really had the time to kind of figure it out, sit and study it and understand it, now opportunity. So I really just wanted to drill that into your head to help you realize that there is opportunity in this really hard time that we're all going through. And I really wanted to shine a light on that because I think that if we just sit and dwell on what's happening, it can really eat away at us and really just bring us down. So take this time and try to make an opportunity out of it. Try to see the light at the end of the tunnel or to enjoy the time that you have off, because I don't know the next time that we will get a big giant staycation like this. And there's just so many opportunity, and I really hope that this helps you think what is something that you've been wanting to do and hopefully inspire you or motivate you to take the opportunity to do it. And if something is popping in your head as I say this and you're like, oh, I know what it is I've wanted to do for a long time and I could do now, comment below and let me know. That's a wrap. Day is done. Mini binge cleaning series is done. Oh no, wait. I've got one bonus video that I will be uploading in the next couple days, and I'm super excited about it. Here, let me show you a little bit of what's to come. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and give me a thumbs up if you've seen more than one of my videos. I would really like to know. The thumbs up lets me know to keep making them. And I want to shoot a thumbs up to Elise York, who I know has commented, shared, and watched every single video. Thank you so much. I love you. Subscribe to my channel, then ring the bell. The bell will let you know when something has been uploaded, like this bonus video, and I will let you know when I go live and all other sorts